Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we have now summer here in Canada. Today I feel more than 30 degrees here in Canada and people are sweating. Wow, it's really nice to see this, that finally summer has come in Canada, the most enjoyable months of every year that all of us wait for. But yes, for homeowners this brings some sort of challenge in reducing their utility bills, like because of cooling that consumes a lot of utilities. So that's why, how can we do something so that our bills can be optimized? I'm not gonna tell you that your bills are gonna be zero. That's not possible unless you shut your cooling system off. Okay. So that's not possible, but yes, I'm gonna share some methods with you that will really help you. First of all, invest in a smart thermostat. Okay, and set it on cooling and try to adjust to the highest comfortable temperature you can. When I say that, you need to consider people around you also, like especially if you live in the building and your basement or other portions of your house is tenanted, then probably you need to discuss with them also, or set something that's going to help to all of them. I'm not going to tell you like do it something that you can tolerate but other cannot, because when you have multiple people with living with you, you need to adjust for accordingly. Okay, now another feature in a smart thermostat, like you can adjust night temperature when you sleep, what temperature should be, and in the morning, so accordingly it does, and you reduce some sort of energy there. Okay, now ventilation and airflow both are very important. You can use ceiling fans, okay, and if they run counterclockwise, they will push the cool air downwards. That means you can have a higher setup temperature set at your thermostat, but still because of the ceiling fan you can have better temperature. Okay, and this will have like impact on the air conditioner AC cost. Okay, but yes, like when you use it, like you are using actually a combination, so make sure you use it only when you need it. If you are leaving the room or leaving the house, make sure you turn them off. You don't want your appliances to run when you are not at home and they consume a lot of electricity, right? Because you're gonna pay for it. Now at night, depending upon the weather, you may be able to open the windows, okay, so that because of ventilation you feel comfortable temperature that can make you feel good, and you can have cross ventilation so that things work good. Now another thing is like you should have some method to get the heat escaped from your place. Now if you're cooking, okay, if you have range hood, that's gonna take a lot of air out of your cooking area, and that hot air may go out. Or else if you have a window just next to your cooking device, it's good to open it while you are cooking, so that that also say is make some heat out of your house, so that's gonna reduce your bill. Okay, exhaust fans can be used, and vents are very important. Okay, so that's why proper duct cleaning is important. Like your vents should be good, because if your vents are dirty, then definitely that's gonna lead to energy loss, be it in the form of cooling or heating. That's gonna be okay. Now if you have leaks at your place, that you can fill with weather strip or clock, like doors specifically at the bottom. If you apply weather strips or something, that may help a lot of cool air to stay in your room, so that is helpful. Insulation again, it's really help. Okay, now appliances that you use that generates a lot of heat, okay, that you can avoid using some during some hottest hours, like ovens, stoves. Okay, so yeah, that you can do. Then LED lighting you can switch to. Electronics you can unplug. This will also help. Okay, furnace filters you should definitely clean regularly, okay, and replace, okay, if it's replaceable, or if it's reusable according to the one that you have. Okay, and of course there are energy efficient devices that you can use. So with all this, hopefully you have a controlled bill this summer. All the best guys, let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to the channel.